What is up, guys? We are back with another drift vlog. We got some drifters right there, or a singular drifter, and then this drifter.
Yeah.
But we're at Capital Raceway again. Turnout is not that big today.
Yeah.
But that's good for us because that means we get more runs in.
Yep.
So what we're about to do is we're about to hop in and then go on the track. But also we got some fresh treads right there.
Yeah. So
like these,
they're pretty used.
These are kind of cooked.
They are pretty much fully cooked.
But all right, so they're pretty up right now. We're gonna stabilize this a little more. I think we're gonna cut a hole through the bumper and then run some of these colorful zip ties onto it.
Here. Okay. And then where are you gonna take the zip tie to? A big hole. Come on. There we go.
Just like that, the bumper is on again. So we got everything done. We're about to hop into the drift car and switch to POV. Oh! Close one. Oh, look at all this! What the heck is going on with this track? They really just like put a car up there.
I know, that's kind of funny. Are you nervous about your car?
He breaks it, he buys it.
True.
Holy shit.
Damn.
That was a close one.
He just three-wheeled so hard.
Have you seen anyone actually go on the bank yet?
Yeah, it actually feels really good. I was doing it last weekend.
Oh, sick. They're adding stuff like every week, it seems like.
I know, it's so good actually. You're good.
Try it. It's like whenever the camera guy is recording, then that's when I fail. You're right, it is making weird sounds.
Screaming for help.
It's like I kind of want to go again. I feel like it'll be fine.
We'll probably be chilling.
I might just go.
No, not the stall.
It's like hecka slippery. Maybe my tires are cooked.
No, they're definitely.
This is first gear though.
One, do you smell the smell?
Yeah, I'm like spinning out really easily now. No!
Not only does the smell weird, but it's like they're screaming.
Sliding pretty easily now.
That was pretty good though.
Towards the end, I'm like, I think I'll do one more run. I think they are about to die, but it feels like I'm driving on like ice right now. Out of grip now. I think the tire's like cooked. I can do like a burnout in like second gear now.
I think we go swap them out.
They're like gliding right now. Yo, he just despawned.
Yeah, even they're like, what the hell? Oh, there's.
Oh shoot.
Is that part of the track?
Like hecka slippery. It's a little grip, I can actually like throttle control it.
Nice.
That's my first tire popping while drifting. I figured the left one was gonna go because every time I hit that that little ramp or whatever, the bank, it like hits the edge of the tire really hard. So.
All right, came back from drifting. Just put on some crispy new tires.
You already know.
detailed. Here are the old ones. They're kind of scuffed. I don't know. You can comment down below. We might have one more run in them. Maybe not this one.
All right, so we just put on some new tires. They're 245, so they might be more grippy than before. But they're up at like 45 PSI, so we'll see how that feels.
I don't think you
Wait, what's, oh, am I not supposed to come on? Yeah, there's like people up there. I thought you gave me a thumbs up, and I was like, huh? Oh no, spin out. Yeah, I'm giving it too much. Oh no! Is that mine? No, it's not.
No, your bumper's still on.
Somebody lost a bumper. Ah, shit. Oh. Too much steering angle. Alright, we just upped the tire pressure to 55 from 48, and so I'm about to see what'll happen.
Go, man.
Okay. What's that guy doing? Nope. Oh no. What's they doing? I'm not getting 245 next time. Oh, I can't keep them spinning. I'm just like flooring it the entire time. Oh, shoot. Wriggle sticks. Is that poop?
Huh?
I thought it was poop on the ground. Oh no.
no tread 225.
I know. All right, fellas, we better head back out after cooling down. No. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got all our drifting done. We drifted for what, probably like 5 hours?
Yeah.
So it's 5:37. We got here at like 11:50. But I'd say it was a successful day. We finally got to pop those tires right there. First set of tires ever popped and deflated, all the way used. That's what it looks like. Now we got some fresh boys on. But yeah, drift event was hella nice. There weren't too many people here, so we got hella runs in. Hopefully y'all enjoy the POV. I'll wait until this man, if he wants to say something.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty fun drifting, but I guess we'll see y'all in the next one. Enjoy this and come back for more, because I'll be sliding it now that my car works.
Yep.